Jennifer. Here's Wen. We are coming from Wen Guo's real estate group.
Hi, yeah, today we're showcasing 15 Crippleridge in the beautiful San Mateo Woods. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom corner unit townhome in a resort-like, highly sought-after neighborhood in San Mateo. Bright and airy large living room, dining room open to the kitchen and has the access to the roomy wood deck patio. Envision having a barbecue party with friends and family here with views of tree-lined walking paths. What a nice setup here. Upstairs, a large primary suite with ensuite bath and walk-in closet. There are also 2 sizable guest rooms sharing the guest bath. Downstairs, 2-car attached garage on the ground floor. The home is even equipped with a water purification system. Well-maintained park-like community with resort-style amenities. Here, there's also swimming pool, tennis court, clubhouse. Very convenient location. Please come and take a look.
您好，欢迎和我一起参观 San Mateo 的15 Crippleridge Court， 3房2个半卫，远景2排小洋房，1700多尺的居住空间，装修风格现代简约，角落单元采光好，3面通透，整个房子清新明亮，超大的远景阳台，户外活动空间充足，小区设施完备，游泳池、網球場、會所一應俱全。
風景又靚，社區好，交通亦都好方便，快啲一齊過嚟參觀下啦！ Thank you so much for viewing the property with us. If you like it, please feel free to reach out to your own realtor or us.
謝謝參觀，歡迎與我們聯繫。
隨時喺度等你，隨時作答。